I love Tajadas. They're also the reason I come back a lot curvier. Hi, I'm Kat Alvarado, and I'm a Nicaraguan American stand-up comic. Today we're making a traditional Nicaraguan dish called Vigorón. This is my mom's recipe, but the dish itself originates from the town of Granada, Nicaragua. Here we're peeling fresh yucca, but you can get it frozen and pre-peeled just to save yourself time and effort. Peeling the yucca can be a little bit tricky, so you want to be careful. What is yucca? It's a root vegetable, kind of like a potato, but with more fiber, so your body will thank you later. Legend has it that the name Vigorón came from a street vendor in the town of Granada who called the salad Vigorón to market it as an invigorating salad for local athletes. Nicaragua is a tropical country, meaning it's hot and humid the whole year round, so a cold dish like a salad is very refreshing. When cooking the yucca, you want to be sure you cook it all the way, not underdone, because raw yucca is poisonous and you could get pretty sick. When blanching the cabbage, be sure to only put it in for 1 minute. I like to set my timer for 50 seconds. If you go past 1 minute, it'll already be overcooked. This dish is important to me because it's what we had at my niece's birthday party when I visited last December. That trip became more special than I thought it would because it might be my last trip to see my family there for many years due to the political unrest and revolution that began there in April 2018. For me, being Nicaraguan means being a fighter. The Nicaraguan people inspire me, and I am incredibly proud to be a Nicaraguan American. I love Tajadas, by the way. They're one of my favorite foods to eat whenever I go visit family. They're also the reason I come back a lot curvier, and I don't mean curvy in the right places, so don't eat this daily. There are many ways to enjoy Vigorón. When I was cooking this with my mom, my whole family was fighting over exactly how to make it. Some people blanch the cabbage, other people don't. She doesn't put in onions because I hated onions growing up. I had no idea it even called for onions in the first place. No matter how you assemble it, whether you want to put the yucca first, mix it all together, add onions, take out onions, put extra vinegar, this is a great dish and I'm sure you're gonna love it.